Start with your laces with one on each side. Move your inner lace away. Take your outer lace and put it underneath your other foot. Slide your foot away to pull the lace tight. Pick up the inner lace and place it over the pulled lace and pull it through the loop. Holding that lace, slide your foot away to help pull tight. That's your first knot. Then make a loop with your lace. Feed it under the tightened lace from the front. Use your finger to create a hole. Lift your foot off the tightened lace. Then feed the loose lace through the hole to make the second loop. Pull both loops tight using your thumb and finger. You've tied your shoes.